Baked pasta with cauliflower and sausage. Creamy. Are you ready? Let's start with the cauliflower. We remove the leaves, cut off the stem, and keep the florets. We boil them in salted water for 10 minutes. Then we keep the cooking water aside, which we will need later. We drain the florets in a bowl. We keep aside the smaller ones that we will use later. And we mash the larger florets with a fork. Moving on to the sausage, we cut with a knife and remove the skin. We cut it into small pieces. And let it brown in a pan with a drizzle of oil and a clove of garlic. When well cooked, we remove the garlic and transfer the sausage to a bowl. In the same pan, we cook the cauliflower florets that we have kept aside. In the saucepan, we melt the butter. We add the flour and stir to avoid creating lumps. We add the cauliflower cooking water and continue stirring until it thickens. Once it is ready, we add it to the cauliflower florets kept aside. We add the nutmeg and mix well. We cook the pasta in boiling salted water. We drain in the bowl of the cauliflower cream. We add the sausage, thyme, and stir to mix all the ingredients well. We pour everything into a pilafila. We cover with a few spoonfuls of cauliflower cream. And the pan-cooked florets. We also add the smoked buffalo mozzarella cheese. And a grinding of pepper. We bake in the oven for 230 degrees for 15 minutes, and there it is. Very creamy. All we have left to do is taste it. Enjoy!